Hi everyone, this is Rahul. I'm going to show you a little demo on a chatbot, which gives an user to narrow his search while searching for a job. So the dataset like we are using here is from AI Australia. Here is their web page with a list of jobs and their titles and then the location. So here the jobs are categorized into three type of things. One is job type, job category, and a location. So we're gonna segregate the chatbot as the user based on these three categories. So as you can see from a job title, job type, there are four categories: part-time, full-time, contract, and then the training. We're gonna take a training, consider training as an internship, since everything is written in the job title says internship. So we're gonna consider it as an internship. And the job category, it's divided in based on the job title. If it is a developer, it comes under a technology. If it is digital marketing, it comes under digital marketing. And finance analyst comes under finance services, etc. And in location, like we have four locations: Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and San Francisco. So let's get to the bot and search for a job that's based in Melbourne. So I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna excited. Gonna prompt you with a welcome message, and once you give an entry or once you type anything, it takes you to the next question, which is looking for a role. So I'm looking for an internship. And it's going to ask you the next category, which is our job category. So here it will list you all different kind of job categories: financial services, consulting, advertising, media, technology, and etc. So here I'm going to choose finance services. As we have seen, like there are only four job locations. So here are the four locations only you can choose it from. So I'm going to choose from Melbourne, and it prompts you, it gives you a list of jobs that are available in Melbourne for an internship role. So this is how it shows. It gives a list of all the jobs available. And now secondly, like we're gonna look at like what if the user has given his other entries which is not mentioned here. So let's test it, like whether the chatbot can handle messages from a user. So let's try it once more with the wrong messages first, and then I'm going to select the correct options later. So yes, I said like I would like to look at it from both job options. So it will ask you like which role are you looking for. As user can give an other entries like which is not listed here. So user can give as an unlist role. I'm looking for an unlist role. So he says, let's look, and you get an error message like the chatbot didn't understand what exactly you're trying to tell. So and then it will ask you again to select only from these options. So I'm going to choose a full-time role this time. And what if you are given the same wrong message again, or something that's not mentioned in the job categories? Suppose a data science. I give as a data science as a job field. It says, yeah, there you go. You get a wrong message, error message. So we basically didn't understand what you just said. So you have to select only from these options, like which other categories as mentioned earlier in the web page. I'm going to choose from IT services. And then it will ask you for a job location. So what if a user gives a wrong other than the city mentioned here? So let's see if the chatbot will understand or not. So you can see from here, it asks you to choose only from these 4 locations. As earlier, we can see there are only 4 cities, 4 locations that are posted in the job website. So I'm gonna choose Sydney, and it will prompt you the list of the jobs that are available, full-time roles in Sydney. So as you can see, this is the role. That's only one role available in Sydney. So let's check whether we got a right message or not. So I opted for IT services as a full-time job, and here you can see the job description, and then it will give you an access to apply for a job as well. And this particular chatbot can be linked to various different channels, such as Facebook Messenger, Slack, Twilio, email, Alexa, Telegram, and so many others. So if you want to link with, suppose, say like a Facebook, you just have to click on a Facebook, and you need to check check the secret key. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah. So you need to have a Facebook app ID, app secret. This you can find it in your Facebook page. So just fill in these details, like copy and paste Facebook app ID from the Facebook page, and then app secret, everything, the access token, everything, and then it will be connected to your Facebook Messenger. Like this, like we can also use Twilio and Telegram as well. Thank you.